Attio is a modern CRM designed to be flexible and collaborative, making it a strong alternative to traditional clunky customer management tools. Instead of locking you into rigid pipelines, Attio acts more like a workspace you can shape to fit your team's workflow. At its core, it pulls in data automatically from your emails and calendars, so you're not stuck manually logging interactions. Every contact gets enriched with context conversations, meetings, and notes, giving you a live, always updated view of relationships. The interface is clean and feels closer to tools like Notion or Airtable than classic CRMs. You can customize views with Kanban boards, tables, or timelines that create custom fields to track exactly what matters for your business. Collaboration is also baked in, which means teams can comment, tag, and update in real time without digging through endless menus. It integrates with over 5,000 apps through Zapier, plus direct connections with tools like Slack and Google, making it easy to fit into existing tech stacks. Pricing is tiered. You get a free, a plus, a pro, and an enterprise, while premium plans unlock more data enrichment, automation, and integrations. The downside is that it's still newer than giants like Salesforce or maybe HubSpot, so some advanced enterprise features are missing. But for startups and growing teams who want a customizable, modern CRM without the bloat, Attio is quite a refreshing option.